Okay, so the chameleon will be today. Class 1, we'll try to rush through and get the actual chameleon done and in the oven, and then do the back of the pendant.
Okay.
And then try to paint it. Then tomorrow will be the frog. Yeah, so that will be tomorrow.
Oh, this is one of my favorites.
And he came out
I
really
love
well.
that
He looks
guy.
good. And this one will be a fairly simple frog because I just use one color for the body, and then obviously the eyes and the hands are different.
Adorable.
And then for the bonus class, I'll do one which will be similar to what I'll wear tomorrow, which has a cane pattern, spots on his body, and he'll have the gold, the metallic gold eyes, which is
Nice.
like what these toads have, the
Okay.
metallic gold eyes.
The same
That'll be
kind
the
of eye.
bonus. Can't give that away. That's like special stuff.
Secret.
Top secret stuff.
And the
then
third day?
Third day will be probably the easiest of the classes. And I planned that thinking that, well, if we didn't finish something else on
We
another
still have
day, we
time.
could do it at the end of this one. But that'll be the goldfish.
Ooh, the
And
goldfish.
I'm not sure. I'm still torn about how to hang these. So, like, you might want to hang it from the tail. Like, I didn't want it to look like it was hanging off a fish hook or something. But, you know, you could
I
even
like
do it
that.
sideways or, you know, so that'll
like
be
it.
up to
Very,
the
very
people.
nice.
So that's good.